Just to remind everybody that language usage and content that we provide here may be disturbing, disgusting, probably will be and should be. Words like bloody custard and words that rhyme with that may be featured. Actually will be featured. In fact, perhaps will only be featured. Just warning you. Yeah, on Cyrus Says, lots of interesting stuff. How to color textbooks while your teacher's not watching. Also, we'll discuss technology, we'll discuss the terrorism, we'll discuss politics, homegrown politics, the homeboy returns, all that and more. Also, should marijuana be made legal? This is a question which has been burning in the minds of 8 to 9 people in India, and we need to, tackle that head on. But don't forget, you can write into us. It's very important that you write into us with your own personal questions. How do I shower with no water, for example, is something I get all the time and I know how to help you. So just write in with your question and we will answer. Our website, our email is whatcyrussays@gmail.com. Let me talk to you like you're 1.5 years old. whatcyrussays@gmail.com. Now in Hindi. What Cyrus Says in gmail.com. Now for a Japanese viewer. What Cyrus Says @gmail.com. And now for those in French Canada. Well, I don't speak French Canadian, so I'll just say, oui.
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
Brought to us by Gourmet It Up, partners with the best restaurants in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Pune. TheIndianBean.com. Coffee for everyone. Also, please let us know what you think of the show. You can email us on whatcyrussays@gmail.com. Okay, I have no words left. It's just, God, it's too much. There's too much heat in the city. The Mumbai is killing me. I want to kill myself. I just cannot take this anymore. And I want to just vent a little bit for a second about my personal angst. People who go to gyms and put ACs off. It's 48 degrees for crying out loud in Mumbai at the moment. You come to the gym and you shut the AC. What is the point of coming to an air-conditioned gym? Why can't you stay on your terrace and just do a headstand like normal people? So please, people all over India, it's very hot, but in Mumbai especially, since this is where I live, we can't take it anymore. And I'll tell you another trick. You know when the heat is getting to you, when you're wearing a full sleeve shirt and you can feel the sweat go from the top of your neck into that little crack around your hips, into the underwear. Once it enters that cracky area and you feel the liquid there, you know you've been defeated by heat. That's when you have to give up. Put your hands up and say, no mas! Which is Roberto Duran losing to Hagler. No mas, no more. We can't do this anymore. We need to declare 3-month break from everything in India and start again in July. That's what I think. Anyway, it's called Cyrus Says, and I've got some interesting people coming on the show. We start with Pavan Acharya. He's a philosopher, he's a scientist, he's a doctor, he's a singer, he's an ad man, and he's a media personality. He's worked with NDTV, CNN IBN, PRTTY, LLLSKN, and in Task Network with Moscow as well. But he wants to forget that period of his life. Pavan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Pavan, lots of things to talk about, but first let's discuss you. Mm-hmm. You're from a media background, and we want to do on Cyrus Says, we want to give a platform to people who can actually speak about what's happening. And we feel media people are the right people for that. Having, of course, discussed the fact that most media people have worked in the media and hence have manufactured news over many periods of, time and, so they know what they're talking about. Mm-hmm. There you go. Putting me under the cosh. Yeah, so now you've spent, 40 years in media?
42
years in media. Yeah. You've seen it all. I mean, you've seen terrorist attacks, you've seen plague, you've seen governments change, you've seen people growing beards, all kinds of things that happen on your watch. So why you're here is to tell the truth, plainly and openly, and point out to our society what we have done right, wrong, and left as well. Okay. So, Pavan, I'll quickly give you 2 minutes to talk about yourself and tell us about your background in actuality.
I've been around for 42 years, like you said, with the television industry now. Yeah. Primarily news, scavenging around dustbins, trying to make a living.
Pavan, people are sleeping. They're actually falling asleep. Now, I've built you up here. Don't let me down. Give me some good stuff. Yeah. So
I've
tell them the truth about how you all manufacture news. Tell them the truth about when there's a weather issue, when rain is falling, how you take footage from 2013 and play it again.
How did you know that? That's a secret. You're not supposed to.
I want them to know the truth about you media people.
It's not.
Because when people call you prostitutes, it's about time you accept it.
Ouch.
Come on.
Yeah, so I've been around for some time.
And have you ever been guilty of manufacturing news or pushing news or manipulating news?
Personally, no.
But you've seen it around you.
I can't comment on that.
But it's okay. They won't take your job away. Just be honest and open. I want people to know the news is also...
Not really.
News can be fiction. News can be fiction.
I'm sure there are people who are doing that, but not. I haven't been part of it. I've been around seeing that, no.
Okay. All right. Anyway, it's called Cyrus Says, and we're going to discuss things threadbare here. And this is one medium where you can really just go for it. Don't hold yourself back.
Cyrus says he's lonely. Please write him a letter at whatcyrussays@gmail.com.
Wow Tables provides access to exclusive dining experiences at the best restaurants in Mumbai, all which I have been to. These experiences are available on demand with a simple reservation on our website. Payments are made at the restaurant itself. We'll watch you on CCTV, make your payment. Our experiences are curated to provide a lot of variety as well as cater to all dining preferences, and the price point is always a pleasant surprise. Most customers smile when they get the bill, which is very rare. We also accept regular a la carte reservations. So don't worry about how your family looks or your relatives, just bring them all in. All are free, well, in a manner of speaking. Anyone who enters a gift card code Cyrus Says or something similar, in case it's difficult to remember, Cyrus Says, that's two full words and they're not commonly used. Says is very rarely used in English anymore. All you have to do is do that, Cyrus Says, and the request field when making an experience reservation, and you will get rupees 500 off your first reservation. This will expire soon, so quickly. I may expire a little later.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Okay, Cyrus Says, we have Chavi in the house as well.
Chavi.
Chavi in the house. Was house okay? Because that's more important for me. House is fine. Chavi. What does Chavi mean? Like a key?
I'm going to reach out and slap you. You're so lucky to be
Is that what it means? Reach out and slap you. That is beautiful. The first woman to actually have a name which makes sense when I meet her. Hi, I'm Chavi. Reach out and slap you. Smack. Beautiful.
This is your house.
Pavan means wind, right?
Yeah.
Like gas issues and stuff like that. I understand.
Can I please interject and say my name means a picture?
A picture. This is tasveer. You don't know your Hindi, man. It's tasveer. Chavi means picture?
It's not just picture though. It's more meta.
Oh, it's picture in picture. It's one of those technology things. You can actually see in the picture.
I thought Chavi meant shadow.
That's Chaya.
That's Chaya.
Oh God, you're Pavan, man. What do you know? You don't speak. You're an expert, I thought. Shadow. So Chavi means picture, is it?
Yes.
So you go to MF Hussain and say, hey man, check out your Chavi. That's great stuff.
So I used to have a friend named Alap who worked in
Oh wow,
web.
all of you have nice names.
Yeah, I thought it was interesting. I work in audio, but my
Yeah.
name means picture, and he doesn't work in audio.
He works
His
in
name is
visual and
Alap.
his name is Alap. So
wouldn't that be good if we could switch them? But
or if you had children.
No.
Then what would you call them?
Sorry, Alap, if you're
Alavi,
listening.
which sounds like somebody straight out of the Taliban, which we'll talk about a little later. But let's get on to the main issue today, which is heat, which is killing me. I want to ask you, Chavi, as a lady, because you'll understand this. I find that as I fatten, when the heat is worse, the sweat drips and it holds its position in the fat layer. In the subcutaneous fat layer. Sort of say if you have fat in your hip, it goes in the middle and it starts making a pond-like thing. And then it grows into more, a larger Powai lake-like thing. Do you, any of you feel that? I know you're much slimmer than me, but do you ever feel that? Can you feel the concentration of the fluid outside your body? Hence telling you that the heat is killing you because there's water accumulating on your body, not in your body.
So as much as I hate to admit it, when you're in a sitting position, regardless of how slim you are, there are places for the
unmentionable
drops to collect.
I'm glad you all are collaborating well on this. A happy couple I have not seen.
It's just what you wanted to discuss.
Superb. Okay, let's go to Rahul Gandhi because he's back. He's actually back. Chavi, Pavan, what can we say about
like
Rahul?
the heat.
Yeah, but what? Yeah, exactly. He's accumulating, isn't he?
Yeah.
But so 50s,
He's roaring, according to Twitter.
Is he?
Rahul roars.
He was wrong. Let's good. Let's start with that. That first Parliament thing early in the week at 4:00 in the evening. He was screaming his lungs out. I thought he had lost his cable connection and he's trying to call for the guy. It was like it was just the notes were just out of place.
It's like someone had towed his car away.
Yeah, exactly. And in Delhi, this is a very normal Gurgaon behavior. See that the loud on the street screaming. And then the funny part was, I think he couldn't find people. If you watch the visual, he's calling names. Pradhan Mantri, and he's pointing to somebody else. and Speaker, and then he's pointing to somebody else. And then,
gotta give him a break. He's been on a vacation.
But did you see the
He's
guys?
forgotten who everybody
Exactly.
is. Yeah?
Oh, but that's why name tag.
He's cleansed the system, including his memory.
Yes,
and his brain.
which is a good thing. He could be in the other party.
Where did he go?
Works a little harder. Well, he didn't tell me. I called. They didn't answer. We don't know for sure. But amongst the rumors, no, Pavan, this is something you told me. He went for Vipasna.
Yeah, apparently.
For 57
apparently,
days.
that's the official story.
No, you might forget where you were after 12 because you don't talk to anyone and all that. It just carries on.
But you do know that this is all. Everybody knows where he is. Everybody knows where he is. He's after all. He's got protection. He's got the SPG along.
Yeah, that's all. They know. The government knows where he is.
Knows where he is.
And are not
his mother knows where he is.
So let's say the opposition. This is a paradox in terms.
Yeah.
The opposition, which is the government,
who's complaining, knows where he is.
They know where he is, but they don't tell
Everyone
anyone.
knows where he is, but obviously nobody talks about.
So why wouldn't they? What's the issue?
I guess it's all part of the hype, the mystery.
Unless he joined the BJP for 57 days. He was with the BJP 57 days, changed his mind, vegetarian food, I'm out. And back in the Congress. Is that a possibility?
One cannot rule that out.
One cannot rule that out. Chavi, but very interesting. I want to know because you guys are younger than me, and Pavan, especially you because
By so much, yes.
By so much, and
Thanks
especially you
for-
because
I
you're a
think
media
that
professional
yeah.
and not neutral. Has he made some sort of impact? My parents were telling me they quite liked his speech. Now, keep in mind, my parents can't hear when I say hello. Okay? They're at that age at the moment, lovely people. Yeah. But they said, wow, he made an impact in Parliament. He was really talking. And so there's a little bit of a positive feedback here and there as well.
Yeah, see, seriously speaking, this is like his 8th speech or something in 11 years or 12 years that he's been in the Parliament.
Correct. So which gives us a batting average of 0.75 per year.
So do the math and you figure out.
Which is as much as I talk in my marriage. Exactly.
And a lot of people liked it. But again, coming back to if you're seeing Rahul Gandhi speaking in Parliament because it's an anomaly and you see it once in 1 year.
Right.
And he takes 1 year to prep and then
he's
he talks
like
about
season.
it. Yeah,
it's a season.
He takes 1 year to prep and then talks about it. And then if you were to look at it from that perspective, you're like, really, man?
Give me more.
Yeah,
Give
exactly.
Me more. Yeah.
But
there was an evil sound in the studio right now, which we can't pick up because there's just 3 of us and there was a coughing sound. Now all orifices have to be checked. So we'll have to take a second while I do that. Chavi, Pavan, if you could be so kind. Somebody made some sound and it wasn't Rahul. Roaring. What is it, this roaring thing, Chavi? What's all that?
People were so happy. No, these are his supporters.
The tiger's back.
I'm woman, hear me roar. Or I'm Rahul, I'm back. I can roar once in a while.
Women empowerment. RTI. Land acquisition, farmer, whoever they are. Important people somewhere in north. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's leave the Congress alone for a second and move to the AAP. I know it's a bit dated, but it's still going on. Where is Kejriwal? What happened?
Vipasna.
Oh, God, you're right. You're right. All roads lead to Vipasna. Somewhere in Bangalore, our country is being run by 3 political parties who
meet there. They took the same flight, we're told.
Yeah, and they don't talk. It's wonderful.
Well, he can't, right? He's got that cough.
No, it's better now, apparently. It's much better.
Because he's not in Delhi.
Although we had a cough about 5 minutes ago, so that could have been him.
It's true.
He's here with us.
The phantom cougher.
Yeah. Okay, quickly, again, on a slightly more serious note, Pavan, he went from going absolutely berserk in that 49-day thing where he was seen everywhere and heard everywhere to now it's almost like we're back in this Iron Curtain, and in the Soviet Union, you don't know who the Politburo is and not heard a word. And where are the Bhushans? Where's Yogendra Yadav? What's happening?
So much for being different and so much for being a different political party, but nah, I don't think that's happening. You see, he seems like any other it seems like any other political party, infighting, bickering. It's sad. I mean, I'm sure there are a lot of people on a serious note in Delhi who probably thought they'd voted and change.
Yeah, but my parents.
Yeah, a lot of people. And
your parents are in Delhi?
Yeah.
What kind of insensitive woman are you? You just left them there? What is wrong with you?
I keep telling them to move here.
Yeah, not here. No,
out. Yeah.
That's even worse. Yes, Sikkim. Sikkim is somewhere straight and right. Just follow the road. Come on. Yeah. Delhi to Mumbai. Who does that? Unless you're transferring a prisoner. It doesn't make any sense to me. All right.
So, a lot of people let down. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of people.
Yeah, let's look at the intellectuals, people like yourselves, the professionals, the intellectuals who went behind AAP in a big way, the middle and upper middle class. Suddenly can't find him at all.
No, and Cyrus, you've seen it. You've seen waves, you've seen demonstrations, you've seen people, the way people are supported, and the majority.
He was roaring.
The majority, 67 out of 70, man. That's something none of us have ever seen.
Unbelievable.
Exactly. Yeah. And after all that, this.
Yeah.
So, I mean, even as a bystander, you're like, what the hell is going on?
Okay, quick question to Chavi. Is it roaring or roaring? Is there a double R there? Just for our listeners, because this is audio medium, I don't want to mess it up.
You're totally putting me on the spot.
Come on, you're the expert. You're the RJ. I'm told, ladies and gentlemen, she calls herself RJ as in radio journalist, not radio jockey. You're the upmarket. Yeah, you're like the gentleman. We're like the players. Come on.
I can't do this because people always accuse me of
roaring.
Americanisms coming in when I do my R's.
Oh, American. You also a Bandra girl? Where does that come from?
I lived in America, thank you.
You lived in America?
Country,
you lived in America, so you mean Karachi, Rawalpindi. Where in America? Where? Deep in Lahore, Peshawar, where were you?
Bandra has a different country, and the Bandra accent, Salman Khan.
Something else.
Salman Khan, is it? I like his accent.
Well, now Salman is a different country, and the Bandra accent is coming back. But come on, you were in America, Chavi? Just off the course here
13 years.
13 years, alright, what happened?
I missed mangoes and I came back.
Okay, that's vulgar, disgusting. But where were you? What were you doing in America? Tell us more.
Studying, working.
So much more interesting than bloody AAP. And I don't mean bloody AAP, I mean AAP. Oh, bloody treason flourished over us in a Shakespearean sense. But
this show's about you.
What were you doing in America? Let the woman speak, Pavan. Huh.
I was studying, and then I was studying
again. But there's no 13-year course. How bad were you?
I did my undergrad. I did grad school.
That's 6 months, 1 year.
No, it's not.
13 years. What are you trying to find the college where you lost? What? There was no GPS? Come on, okay, no, come, you speak. What were you doing? We want to know more about you.
I did my undergrad in Tennessee.
Okay, that sounds very, almost titillating. I did my undergrad. In Tennessee? Where Elvis comes from?
Only you, yes.
Oh, excellent. Can you sing an Elvis song?
Sure. Which one would you like me to sing?
I would like you to sing Treat Me Nice.
That's the one I don't know lyrics for. Choose another one.
Okay, Indescribably Blue.
Where is he picking these songs out of?
Never talk Elvis with me.
You
Apologize
don't
for your
know.
existence.
Surrender.
How dare you?
His latest flame.
Latest film, you know, tang,
Sure.
tang, 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 tang. You know the
Very
guitar
old
means
friend
came by today, and he was telling everyone in town about the love that he had found. And Marie's the name, ding, 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 of his latest, ding, 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 ding. Very good. You passed my Elvis test. Marie's name is good enough for me. Pavan, do you know any Elvis songs?
You know what? He just called it Marie's
you
name.
don't-
He's making up random names,
Exactly,
titles
yeah.
for different songs.
It's
I
in
probably know
brackets,
the ones
Marie's
he
the
said.
name, his latest fame. Don't argue with the king. I'm the son of the king. And I don't mean Rahul. Or what's his name in ARP, because nobody remembers him now. He's just disappeared. Okay, let's get back to politics, folks.
Thank you.
So that's that. And what about our Prime Minister, our leader, who is now the Foreign Minister who wanders around?
What's
I wanna ask
going
you,
on with his
why,
clothes?
Somebody mentioned this. Yeah, what? The clothes. They've changed again.
And there's a huge deal about it. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Is he
Why?
looking like
Don't we
his
have
own?
nothing else to talk about?
We don't seem to have anything.
No, but at least this Prime Minister has some sort of clothes. We've had.
Yes, I remember some that
Yeah.
you cringe when you see them in
It's just
international
the same sort of
conferences
thing.
and stuff.
It
Yeah.
was like, catering or something. You see the guy was
Grayscale,
the same
yeah.
thing. Walks around. It's a bit embarrassing.
No, the difference is I think we've gone from a Prime Minister having a grayscale as a palette in terms of his wardrobe to a Prime Minister who has gotten
Colors, names,
yeah,
numbers,
RGB, CMYK.
lucky beads.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
CMYK.
Oh, this is Paris Skywalk time.
So all of a sudden you got from black and white to color,
And, and he went to Paris in Germany. And don't forget that they banned German. They want to remove German. The same BJP government said no to German. Smriti Irani, the only Irani speaking German in India, actually said no German, back to Sanskrit. Yet our Prime Minister went to Germany. They should have sent him back and said learn German, then come back. No Sanskrit in Germany.
He tweeted in German. I saw those tweets.
speak-
Yes.
At least from the PM.
What did he tweet? 1, 2, 3, 4.
There were CCTV cameras
And then
here.
Congress come back. By the way, that's German for 5. Elvis sang quite a few songs in German. We'll do that a little later.
No, I was saying
Yes, he
Smriti
did.
Irani,
Wooden
no
Heart.
CCTV.
Which I can
Sei
sing
mir
in German.
gut, sei mir gut. Later. Let's get back. This is not a sing-song show. This is a hit-you-in-the-face show with our frank and forthright views, which Pavan is going to share with us. Pavan, back to the Prime Minister. The very interesting point, which I think people have forgotten. We have a foreign minister. Her name, Sushma Swaraj. Not being a visual medium, I can't
Sorry,
show
who
you.
again?
Sushma Swaraj. She never gets to travel. She's the foreign minister. He's the prime minister. He's gone to 43 countries. She was sent once to Bangladesh. I swear to you, this is true. Which is not even considered an assignment if you're a foreign minister. It's considered you didn't do well at match today, beta. So Bangladesh for you. What the hell's happening?
I think there's a gradation for policy in place. Like the grade 1 read as first world countries is where the PM goes.
Fair enough.
And the grade 3 read as third world countries is where the, who goes.
Foreign minister goes. So let's call them fallen minister, not foreign minister. But I think this is almost a caste system in politics. Why do we do this? Nobody else seems to have all that. A quick one on Hillary Clinton before we move to topics. Hillary Clinton announcing herself as, being announced as one of the candidates for the Democratic primaries or whatever. What are your feelings 13 years in America?
Well, I actually think I support her, but then
Just because she's a woman, that's so
mostly,
sexist.
that is true.
That's so genderist.
But
that's
I don't.
so blondist.
I don't agree with all her foreign policies.
Internist.
though.
Sorry?
I don't agree with all her foreign policies.
Can you tell us 32 points for foreign policy in like 42 seconds?
No, I will just say that her position
Is
on
she
war.
going to nuke North Korea, yes or no?
She might,
She
very
may,
well,
right?
yeah.
So she'll be a Republican in Democrat clothing, is that it?
I think so.
That's a
That's
bit
the
scary.
danger.
And she's a man in a woman's outfit. That
Oh,
makes,
come
that-
on.
That's what
How
people
you-
say. I never said that.
You never said that?
I never said. I personally find her attractive. I don't think she's over the Hillary at all. I think she's pretty. So,
Are you that desperate?
I'm that desperate. I'm that
No, come on,
desperate.
she's really
What about her
cool.
husband? I mean, he's one of the most charming and sophisticated men
I'm
in the
not,
world. What
he's
about
very
him?
happy.
Yeah, well,
He gets to go back.
Yeah, because he'll put in
Familiar territory.
He'll put in another house. You stay in White House, I stay in Brown House. Okay, Desi girls. Okay, let's get back to Hillary. So I speak to some American friends. I have two, and they're 7 and 9. Yeah, no.
Oh, at your own
American
house.
school. There you go.
Lokhandwala.
What are you inferring? This
Sup.
Interpol will be after me. No, but the point is anti-incumbency I thought would be a big factor. Although the last 6 months haven't been that bad, but it's not like Obamacare was a big hit or Obama was a big hit. Yeah. We all expected much more. Let's be honest. Let's put it out there. We thought black man, blah, blah, blue, all rubbish. Nothing changes. The dollar dipped, whatever. It's been a little better in the last few months, but still, a lot of people felt with the Republicans doing well in the Senate and the Congress that it'll be easy 1, 2, 3 for them. Now I'm told there's a big wave possibly for her. You think they can win 3 in a row, Democrats?
I'm rooting for her.
Really?
Well,
But you live
lesser
here.
of two
What do you
evils.
care?
I think she has a huge...
I didn't say voting for her. I said I'm rooting for
You're
her.
rooting for her. Fair
But
enough.
I also think the huge advantage is the novelty again. woman president,
So
female
after
What
president.
about all the
Black
scandals?
president. You never know.
Forget
What
the
scandals?
husband's sexual scandal, but the email controversy, a couple of other things.
Yeah.
And
With
now,
the Clintons.
And now that you mention it, the slightly Republicanization of her
Yeah.
and right-wingization of her, in a sense. Is that going to count for anything? Because your Democrat voter, I would think, would always go with the more liberal-looking candidate.
Yeah, but
Which might be Mitt Romney.
she has a lot working for her. Even if you don't get into policies and stuff like that, the fact that it's really out there.
But
that
they are supposedly as sexist as we are, if not more. Will they vote for a woman on top? No pun intended. Why am I the only one screaming woman on top? Like finding many meanings to it and feeling
Everyone
happy.
are looking at you like, what?
Whatever
Yeah,
makes
Pawan's
you
like,
happy.
woman on top, I'm Indian. What? Never heard of it. Doesn't exist. Check the chapter and
Whatever
verse.
makes you happy.
All right. Chavi, you don't want any comment? 13 years in America.
Again, you want me to comment?
What was it? 12 years was Guantanamo. What? Just kidding. What do I know? Speaking of which, let's move to this. This is sensational news. ISIS and Taliban declared jihad on each other. I don't know what to say. I urinated in public immediately. I was taken to a side and said, do that somewhere else. What the hell does this
This
mean?
is like a
Are they that
WWE
stupid?
match. I mean,
Why? Yes, that's beautifully put. WWE match, yeah? With worse costumes and no makeup. God, they need makeup.
What next? ISIS and Boko Haram. I mean,
Quarterfinals coming soon. The battle for the final. Yeah, but
No, but seriously speaking,
throw some light. Do you have any idea?
I have no idea about this, but
So what is it? That
it's ridiculous if it's true.
when Winston Churchill said we human beings can't get along, he was absolutely right. Even in the world of right-wing extremism, they get upset with each other.
got factions, yeah.
Yeah. The ego thing comes to play even there. They're getting too much mileage. They look better on camera. They kill more people.
They're wrong in their
More people know how to pronounce.
They're not fundamentalist enough.
And I think IS is a smarter thing because, it's easy to say in any language as against Taliban. So maybe they're winning points just because it's easy to pronounce. Is it a possibility? What's going on? What's wrong with our
just
world?
kidnap more women or something. I don't know.
Two humanitarian bodies deciding to go head to head
but if
like
they put
that.
an end to each other, I'm not complaining.
Well, that will never happen. We live in a terrible world. You know that by now.
They're like cockroaches, I'm sorry to say.
What's wrong with cockroaches? I used to be called Broach the Cockroach, by the way. The pet name went down well.
Roach the roach.
We'll live forever, by the way. Cockroaches, not broaches.
Yeah, they were
You know that.
before the dynasty.
Can we stick back to ISIS and Taliban, not know about your fundamental knowledge of insects? Which, of course, since I've seen you chase some girls, I understand you like things without spines. I've seen what you've seen.
Ow.
Pavan and I have worked together a few times. Chavi, Chavi's looking away and talking to the producer. This is disrespectful to an old man who you should call uncle on this show by now.
You want me to call Pavan uncle?
I think
so.
so.
Hot.
I think so. Okay, so ISIS and Taliban, none of you have anything to give me?
No, except it was reported by the Afghan intel agency, so I assume it's true, but it just sounds
It's the
so
Afghan
ridiculous.
wing alone. It's not the entire Taliban because they're a huge cooperation with, equity and all that. You can buy shares and stuff. And so obviously we're only looking at one area. Am
Plus,
I
it
right?
must be some internal thing.
So we'll send you Pavan in
Four
to
bakras will-
counter-espionage it a little bit for us. As we go into Maharashtra toll issues. But before we go to Maharashtra toll issues, I think we should take a break to find the money to pay for the Maharashtra toll.
Cyrus says, yes, you may follow him. He's on Twitter as @CyrusSaysIn.
And now a message from the IndianBean.com. Your point, how can a bean speak to me? Well, technology is changing everything. Now, the IndianBean.com, some of the best premium coffee in the world available here in India. It's an experience that all coffee lovers must have because I'm told once you go bean, you never go back. The IndianBean.com. Alright, you get a 10% discount for all purchases at the IndianBean.com with the discount code Cyrus Says. I'll repeat that. Cyrus Says. I'll say it in the most sexually explicit way. Cyrus Says.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Yes. After that wonderful break where we refreshed ourselves with Vada Pav, which is the flavor of the week. I won't get into it. But apparently it's available all
Misal
over.
pav? Vada pav?
Misal pav, Vada
Misal
pav.
pav was last week with Shobha Day.
Yeah. But she had some extra, sent some here, so we're having it. And as we speak, we were discussing Maharashtra toll issues. Okay, or the toll it takes of living in Maharashtra in the sense of, 20 years here and you've had enough. But no, other than that, there's also the actual toll. Chavi, on the mic.
What should I say?
Well, that pregnant
I don't
pause
even
gives
drive.
gives me half an hour of things to talk about. No, so it's terrible. I do drive. You have to go through about... Nobody understands...
Where do you pay your tolls? Tell me. One is on the
where?
ceiling, one is Marol.
In front of his face. Like exactly.
No. Where are the tolls collected? Where are these
One
toll
is ceiling,
booths?
one is Marol, then there's
Forget
one in...
ceiling. I'm talking about the highway. Ceiling, there's no hope for us. We have to
Right,
take the
we
down
have
ceiling.
to.
Then
10
there's
years
then
in
it's
Mumbai.
Thana, then it's on your way
Western
to
or Eastern,
Pune.
wherever you go.
Yeah.
No, hello, there are many. Don't ask me to think and talk. And also they keep changing. Suddenly they have a movement, activists come, beat them up or something, and they disappear for 3 days.
Calling them activists?
Oh, not activists, fellow brigands.
You know
come.
who you're talking about.
Yeah, misbehave, boom, you don't have the toll anymore. But the point is, it's very badly organized generally. It takes a long time to clear, and everybody travels on the same, holidays. Surely we can have a better system in place.
So,
No, what I can't understand is it the fact that you're paying tolls a problem or the process of paying the toll?
Everything. I have been to Gurgaon and come back alive, let me tell you. And they finally scrapped the damn thing. They had it listed on the stock exchange.
However, the Delhi Noida Delhi the toll
Flyover,
whatever.
Yeah.
That's quite cool because you have this card and you just have to pass
if you have the card.
But most people seem to because you
locals
don't have an
do.
option.
Locals do. I'm okay with that as long as they don't have long lines.
Yeah.
Easy pass is good.
Yeah. No, the serious question, if
But
you want to ask
Delhi men have been doing
is,
easy passes for so many years. It don't make sense. But here you're right. We don't know where it goes to. Whether the
question is where the money going. Yeah.
So what I love about the toll collection system
tell me.
is that there are two people involved, right?
Yeah.
So you hand your money to one person,
It's
then
like
he
love.
hands it back to somebody else, then they hand the change to him.
Correct.
Oops, that was my...
Yeah, doesn't matter what it was. Organs can be replaced. I've always told you, do not worry. But the whole toll thing is just
And
baffling.
isn't it supposed to speed things up, or you just chuck stuff in?
No, see, what they've done is they've tried to figure out ways to use more labor because we have a labor explosion here. So they have 8 people doing the job of one sometimes, as you know.
So one gives you a 10 rupee note, one gives you the 20 rupee note, one gives you
and they
the
never
5
have the
rupee
change
coins.
ready. Basically
on the ceiling.
And why do you charge 37.50 or 13.50 and 18 rupees? Why can't you have round figures?
Because it's written into the law that it's increased by a percentage. And
Chavi,
that
I have a
percentage-
round figure. Why can't you be more like me?
Well, then people will protest. It's 50 paisa more than it should be by this charter.
Exactly.
But then you waste half an hour to find the money. Then they don't have the
Absolutely.
change.
No,
Then they give you a toffee. I've been given a toffee. What if you're diabetic? I don't want your bloody toffee. And what brand toffee? I mean, I don't know.
What I don't like about the toffee is you can't pass it on further. I can't pay the taxi driver and
No,
bloody
you can't
toffees.
because there's a limit.
What if it's a half-eaten toffee?
Yeah, well,
50
whatever.
paisa.
But that makes sense also
Yeah,
because
like
it's all,
38 paisa, sir, here.
it's all about math. It's all about math. I'm okay with that. Fine. But okay, all those who feel the Maharashtra toll should be completely abolished, completely raise your hands.
No, wait.
I'm not sure whether it should be
And I say this
abolished.
because no one can see us.
I
Right.
think
So we
it should
can,
be more
we can raise our hands or not raise our
I
hands.
want to know what's happening with the toll money, though. Which
Yeah.
Pavan and I were both
Yeah.
talking. Actually,
Where is
Pavan
the
was
money
talking-
going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's
Where's the
necessary,
money
then
going?
sure, maybe we should have tolls.
Well, somewhere in Palghar, there's a man in a BMW 7 Series whose son works as a small-time second-hand person who passes the 10 rupee to the third-hand person. And you do well. You do well for yourself.
No, in all seriousness, you need to know where it's going. Are your roads getting better? Are your highways getting better? If the money, if your money is making
Hey, Pavan, I don't know, you didn't grow up in Mumbai, but for us, toll meant something else. Do you know that?
No.
As young boys?
No, I don't know this. I
Whenever
wasn't a
you-
young boy.
Whenever you were fighting with another kid, you'd hit him in his gokulus, and it was called, I'll give you a toll.
No way.
And now I
good
actually
Lord.
feel it makes sense because that's what you feel when you go through. No, I'm telling you, it's Mumbai speak. Growing up in Mumbai, we used to say, hey, I told you, he told me, he told you. It used to happen a lot.
But
now
now
when
you're
you pay
paying
that
a toll.
money, they told us.
This is
they
not
told
painful
us.
to you, Cyrus.
No,
Now I know why
it's
it's painful for you.
It's
Now
very
I know why the
painful.
word painful, but it's not the change.
I hate saying it.
It's not the
and the worst
change.
part is,
This
he's
is-
going to told me and I'm paying him.
That's
How-
how
what's happened to my life?
dirty underwear.
That
Now it
explains
all
it.
makes sense.
What is that Japanese thing you said before the break?
So in Japan, you can
Say it
buy...
in Japanese.
I'll say you translate.
Okay, I'll
right?
translate.
So in Japan, you
Here
can
I
buy...
go. Ajinomoto. That's Chinese. you go.
You can buy used underwear in
We may have a
vending
Japanese
machines.
sponsor in 10 years. Let's be nice.
Did you hear that?
It's true though.
What?
You
I'm trying to.
You keep talking.
You keep talking. It's a talk
Did
show.
you
We have to
hear
keep
that?
talking. Every time we let you not talk, we have these pregnant pauses with more pause and no pregnant. So let's go back to you. And it was you
You can buy used underwear in a vending machine. Many vending machines.
What does
not
that
a
mean?
vending
What does
machine.
that mean?
It means that there are perverts
That
out
means
there.
Indians live there? What? What does that mean?
It's for your fetish. You can
Fetish?
choose what. Like you want pink lacy
But
ones.
why would you want
press
used?
FD.
Chavi, why do we need used underwear?
We don't. The Japanese want
But they're
them.
very clean people. I know Japanese people.
Listen, the Japanese have very strange sexual
clean
morals.
them?
I have no idea. They
You
also...
were in America for 13 years. What do you know about Japan?
I
And
read
you were
about
in
it
Ahmedabad.
obsessively.
There's no Japanese there.
Can I just tell you that
Yeah.
the latest thing that I read that was
Yeah.
going on was
Yeah.
that they were licking each other's eyeballs for a sexual thrill.
What are you
Eyeballs.
reading? Where is she reading
Yeah.
this?
Is it because of the height thing?
I have no clue.
I cannot locate the... I'll just start with this.
Clearly the excess population doesn't know what to do with
Are you
themselves.
serious?
I really don't.
This is
I
all
feel
this
like it's
racist
all
commentary from
nothing.
Chavi.
No,
Not
it's
from me.
true.
I love my Japan.
It's verified. These are the trends in Japan.
I should try this stuff.
So when they say they
Do
have
they lick their
100%
own
employment,
eyeballs?
this is what they mean.
Do they lick their
No,
own
everything
eyes?
is done in a vending machine. What are you talking about?
And when you say small is good in certain countries, what the hell? Now you're hitting an eyeball. That's small. But tell me one thing. Is it your own eyeball or you somebody else?
Why are you so
We're
curious?
gonna pause for a second.
Yeah.
Let you
While
think
I
about the imagery of what
while
you're
I try
saying.
and do,
Cyrus.
and anyone listening tries as well. Please, if you can,
What do you
lick
think?
your own eyeball. We'll give you a special prize.
What do you think?
Which is used underwear by Pavan. Pavan, used underwear? Okay, I think we've had enough of that topic. Let's move on. Technology! And I know everything about technology. Bill
That's
Gates
why
and
we
I.
got Pavan here, no?
Yeah, we grew up together. I was his optician. Flipkart to shut down website in 2016. This, again, like the Taliban fighting the ISIS, is a little, what is, Pavan, you're the expert. What does that mean?
No, I think it's again. I personally feel it's a behavioral change that they're trying to make in sense
To predict.
Yeah, no, not just that. To make sure that people use more and more of their mobile phones, because ultimately that's what everybody.
That one-stop shopping thing has to be killed.
You're banking through your
You
app.
kill
you're shopping through your
you're
app,
killing
you're
the
doing
golden
everything through your app.
goose.
So you're essentially trying to move everything to. People are now. People are now renting houses. Online. I mean,
Yeah.
that's again a behavioral change.
And be careful when you do, because that 8-bedroom house is suddenly, in the Japanese eyeball speak, becomes 1 bedroom by the time you
I think
actually
it's
get in.
essentially a behavioral change. We're trying to make people to behave, the consumer behavior.
Will it work?
I think that's.
Because we have
I
taken
don't
to
know.
the online
I don't
shopping. No culture has
I
hit
don't
it
know.
like we have hit it. Pavan, Chavi, will you stop playing musical chairs?
Why?
Listener, if you're still listening, they're at the moment moving from one chair to another. Strangely,
You're not moving.
If you point fingers at Japanese people for licking eyeballs. Look at what you do. My God, disgusting Indians. All right, getting back to it. So, behavioral change, will it work? That's my question. What happens to this whole shopping online thing?
Well, they'll know. Because it's not confirmed. I don't think
you
they're
know more than the
completely
entire
moving.
internet industry. Who the hell are you, man?
I have to say something,
Flipkart,
though.
millions of dollars.
So I was in a cab about a month ago.
Oh God, this is one of those girl stories which never end. And then I met Laila, and then we discussed hair braiding. I don't know. Okay, but you tell your story. Go on.
You sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. So I was in a cab, and the
I just
taxi.
hate when stories are, I'm in a cab. It's one
Haven't
of
you
those,
learned it
it's
yet?
I was in
it's
a
like
cab.
2 men in a bar, you're setting it
Listen,
up. Okay,
listen. The cab driver gets a phone call while he's driving. Usually I say, please pull over and take your call. No,
Why
I'm
do you,
not
who
allowed.
miss you? Goody two shoes? No. Why? The guy's working so hard. You know how hot it is in Mumbai? Driving a non-AC cab and you have to stop him and say, pull over. Let him crash the cab. What is it to you? One less
I'm
cab
in
on the
it.
road.
I'm in it.
Oh, that's true. You should pull it to the side.
Very important.
So
Good
he
thought of
takes
that.
this call, he pulls over and he says, हाँ, नहीं, छोड़ दीजिए, हमारी मिसेस घर पे है, वो sign कर लेंगी.
Oh, wow.
So I said, what was this about? I couldn't help myself.
He runs a bordello.
He had ordered something from Flipkart.
Wow.
A cash on delivery. He doesn't have. So I said, do you have a mobile? Like, what do you do? Do you have a computer at home? Like, how are you paying for it? Because I buy online on a computer and I pay with a credit card or a debit card. Nothing. He has an app on his phone. He gets these things, these push messages, and he ordered some stuff for his car. He ordered a screwdriver. He ordered a polish. He ordered an ornament for his rear view mirror.
And the wife will sign for it.
Yeah, and there's cash at home,
cash,
cash on delivery.
She's the principal of Father Agnew School.
No,
Nearby. No.
she's a housewife of a taxi driver.
Wow,
yeah?
fantastic. So there's a very good point you raised. So that
Yeah, so that's
obviously...
what. So the point, I think, it's like I said again, it's a behavioral change. They want to make people use their phones a lot more.
Adapted or adopted this whole condition of online. If the lower classes are doing, the lower income groups are doing, how will you counter-revolutionize the situation? That's the point. And Pavan takes a deep breath and says, I don't care anymore, so we'll go to the next topic, which is Google mobilization. Well, we had some fast runners. Adil Sumariwala was the fastest Parsi runner and Indian athlete in the 80s. But now Google mobilization is going at a very, very quick pace. What does it mean? Chavi, you have to give it a
I was
crack.
just gonna
You
say,
spent
Pavan.
13 years in Silicon Valley.
No, I did not.
Then 13 years in Tennessee listening to Elvis
No,
songs.
no.
Then what the hell were you doing in America? Please tell
I was
us.
in Boston for 8 years.
You were in Boston?
Yeah.
Okay, and what
That's
did you-
not Silicon Valley. I
Okay,
promise
so
you.
I
tell me
understand.
other
My
quest,
wife
right?
was
There's all
working.
academic
My wife
stuff
was in a
about
restaurant in Boston. She worked in the back kitchen. We
No
were also
way.
proud of her. Yeah, but just go
What
on.
were you doing there?
I didn't. I visited for 3 days. The worst
Okay.
3 days of my life.
So-
and the worst tandoori food. When it says Smith and Jones tandoori food, you should just be a little careful. But coming back to you, so 13 years, you're not. Why are you being so? Pavan, is she hiding? Why is she hiding? Don't hide.
She's
Come on, tell
Googling.
us.
She's Googling
Googling
Google
mobilization.
You're checking what you did for 13 years?
No.
Google is driving us mad. What is Googling mobilization? Googling, I'm saying. Look what you've done.
So what I understand, like, we're
mobilization.
going to give the floor to Pavan. What I
Okay.
understand is that Google is changing its algorithms, which is going to now affect how...
Oh my God, this is like...
Jump in anytime, Pavan, and
Is this
like,
like
just,
a
correct me.
post-period sort of thing where, the hormones go up and down sort of thing? I
Pavan,
know.
don't let him talk to you like this.
No, I'm looking at an analogy for people to understand.
No, essentially from what little I understand.
Oh, you don't have to say that. Next to me and Javi, we've got Professor Thesaurus. Go on.
No, I mean, Google has obviously created a full ecosystem where you can Google and access information and content
In Indian terms, fatafat.
in the easiest way. I mean, it's not difficult.
Like she did to find out about her 13 years. She's forgotten.
Yeah.
She was Googling herself.
Yeah, but they obviously realized that not everybody's adapting to the change. Obviously, again, they're all preparing for the future, making sure that.
Are we preparing? Are they over preparing?
Not
analyzing
really.
what will
Not
happen?
really.
Not
Not
for
really. Cyrus, because
themselves,
things are changing so fast today. You have to think about something 10 years down the line. You cannot be thinking about tomorrow. You have to think about 10
If
15
only
years
our
down the line.
government would do that.
Yeah.
No?
Shilpa Shetty looked like one thing 10 years ago, something else 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Everybody's
Yeah,
changing.
so you
Everybody has a
Anushka Sharma was another girl.
And I'm not sure. I'm not sure penalizing would be the correct way to go.
Say the
about
word
it.
penal again, just to make me feel good. Say it.
You want me to say it?
No, you say it. Just for a change. Come on, just continue with your topic.
So-
Penalizing?
So I don't think penalizing the correct word to be using, but I think they're essentially preparing everybody for it.
For the big drop in the
Yeah,
future.
Yeah, it has to happen. It has
So
to
basically, you know nothing about Google mobilization. I've not understood a word you've said. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's take a quick break, and we'll come back and we'll have another go at it.
Cyrus says he misses you too, but you don't have to miss him. You can download the dedicated Cyrus Says app in the Google Play Store. Just look for Cyrus Says app.
Remember, most important fact, if you have questions you need answered, we're here for you. All you have to do is email to whatcyrussays@gmail.com. Whatcyrussays@gmail.com. It's pretty simple. We have someone who's emailed, and what is the question? Let's see.
How can you eat food without actually using any edible ingredients?
This will take hours to answer.
But this is exactly the kind of question you're so good at answering.
First, I need to have my lunch. Hello, McDonald's. Hello.
And that's what Cyrus says.
Okay, we have some interesting news here on Cyrus Says. We have my good friend and partner, some say, Kunal Vijaykar has joined us. Ostensibly, he wants to fetch me to take me to another studio.
Hello, Cyrus.
Hello, Kunal.
Yeah.
People who don't know who you are, I'll just explain. Kunal is like a man who wants to be vegetable but isn't. He doesn't want to move much. His entire life is about giving himself as much time to do as little work. So, Kunal, you're perfect for our show. Just pontificate and do your thing.
Yeah,
And
at the
pontificate
moment
is
we
not an
are three
action.
people crouching around one microphone, breathing into each other's mouths.
It's like a B-grade Chinese martial arts
We thought
film.
your show had a budget.
Yes, it is, yes.
There's nothing
This
here.
is the budget.
Oh,
This is the highlight of the show when we bring a fourth guest and they don't die. Okay, let's quickly talk about the Apple Watch. We have time only for 2 or 3 topics, so let's go for it. Apple Watch, sensational new discovery for all people who love fruit. Mr. Pavan Acharya.
No, I want to start with this
Why?
Apple
I
Watch.
said Pavan Acharya.
That's what I want to do. I'm new.
It's using
I'm
age
new.
and size.
I want
No,
to start with this Apple Watch.
but he's
you know
the
what
expert.
it costs, this Apple Watch?
But you don't know anything
it starts
about
at
Apples.
$300 for a watch. It goes up to
Tell me in
$15,000.
rupees how much that is.
that'll be around
5 into
18,000
Buy like a
rupees.
Let
motorcycle.
Mr. Acharya do the
18,000
calculation.
rupees.
28,000 rupees.
Yeah, with all the Google applications we
That's
have, no
how
one can do the
expensive it is.
maths for dollars and
And you
rupees.
can get it with rubber.
Oops, watch what you say,
Rubber
the lady
straps,
president.
metal straps.
Rubber straps,
And you
what's
can
the-
get it in gold.
Sexual innuendo. Oh, now you got the Indians listening. All you have to do is
Yes.
say gold and Apple Watch and the Indians are listening. We're into it, totally.
Yeah.
So at $300, what does it end with? Like up to
$15,000.
$15,000 for
Can you
a
do the math
watch.
and tell me what
That's
it
the budget.
15,000 into 5 multiplied by 20.
That's
I
the-
have no
that's-
idea.
62 rupees 80 paisa.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's the
So
GDP
70
of
grand.
Myanmar, by the way. 15,000 US dollars. One watch is a country. How mean can the Americans be? Quickly, what are the features? Anybody? What's so great?
You can do everything that you can do on your phone. It gives you notifications for everything, your messages, your mail, your calendar.
Except it's tiny and
Exactly.
it's on your
Exactly.
Oh, so now Chavi size is an issue, huh?
Size is definitely-
Now you
size
tell us.
matters.
10
but
years
it's
into
not-
a relationship. How dare you?
But
Size
I think
matters.
Apple is trying to do what they have known to be doing, which is pioneering.
You'll just
user
come up with the
behavior
first
again.
one and you perfect it.
No, and user behavior again. User behavior again.
Maybe
in
you
the
should
sense
just
that,
strap the iPhone to the...
The question is, will you check your messages on your phone? Will you
Yeah, it is a bit
look at maps on
uncomfortable.
your phone? Will you on
Can
your
you
sorry on
imagine
your
the
watch
font
on your
size?
watch exactly?
And how
But
close
that,
you'd have a
I don't
problem
think
looking
that is as much an issue as much as it as if you get a message. Are you going to check it on your phone? Or are you going to check it on your watch?
No, then you don't carry your phone.
No.
No,
You have to carry your phone
because the Apple ecosystem, right?
Yeah.
You won't
It
get. You won't-
doesn't
So then what's the
function like
point?
that.
Then it's like an
That
extra
makes no
accessory.
sense.
No, so you have the app
In a
that
way,
syncs
yes.
with your phone.
Why can't you have two watches? One is the phone and one is the rest. That would make more sense.
I would rather carry my phone on my wrist, yeah.
I would rather carry a girl
That's
on my
what they're
wrist.
trying to do.
That
Again,
never
it's
happened.
a user behavior.
But then you have to
thing.
carry your phone as well.
Just for the
You
record,
can actually take
Apple,
calls on your phone too.
Apple is
On
not my
your watch,
favorite
yeah,
food.
on
Why
your-
couldn't they
on
have
your
like
watch, sorry,
mango?
yeah.
You mentioned mango at the top of it. Mango watch makes sense. And I could have two mangoes, one on each hand.
No, you can have a mango dress.
Okay, stop
That's
it.
another
Right,
brand.
you look like a pineapple. You want to call us names?
Pineapple is a dance studio.
Really? Okay, you look like a watermelon who married a pineapple and then had a
Watermelon
child.
is a sweet.
Yeah. All right. Too much water, no melon. Not you, Chavi. Him. It's all him. Okay. Don't get sexist on me here.
Finally,
boys.
got someone who will.
Yeah, but the point is that
Yeah.
it's a great product for you, Cyrus,
Yeah.
because it's meant for health freaks,
Yeah.
and it tells you immediately as soon as you're getting a heart attack.
1 point to Vijaykar as we go to halftime.
That's
1
when
point
you
to
bought the
Vijaykar.
phone and you buy the watch.
Does it
and you know
really
the
tell
price.
you? Does it really?
It does. You are getting a heart attack. You are getting a
You
heart
get a heart
attack.
attack. You just bought the
And
watch.
then
you got
what? Does it say anything else or just, good news, bad news?
You get the sign immediately after you bought the watch.
And nothing
Because you know
about
how
which
it
doctor to
works.
call, nothing like that?
No,
No?
but Cyrus is not going to get a heart attack when he buys the watch. It's when his wife buys the watch. That's when he gets a heart attack.
I have a wife, Chavi. Sit away, sit away. Don't come so close. I never tell the girls.
She's not coming close to you. She's
You're
close
the
to
one
me.
standing behind him.
See, I don't even carry a ring. Forget a watch. So, Apple Watch, will it be a success in India? Pavan, the expert.
It will.
You think?
Yeah, for
They'll
its
sell
novelty- for
at
its
this huge
novelty
amount?
factor, it will.
But you just said that in many ways it's a utility factor is a bit of a
No, but the same
no
people
show.
who bought the first iPhone will be the same people who bought the first iWatch.
Oh, that's just because I want to buy.
No, but then that's the clientele they are catering
I need to buy
it's
this.
a clientele. It's a status
Okay.
symbol at the end of the day.
But from a utilitarian point of view, Chavi, perhaps not the greatest
No,
thing in
and
the world.
aesthetically also, for goodness sakes, it looks like some kids.
And don't men spend enough time with their wrists? I mean, what the hell? All the time. What's up with that shit? Okay, let's move on. We've got lifestyle, and this is a very important topic. I want people all over the world to join in. Should marijuana be made legal in India? And why is it spelled Marijuana when it should be spelled Marijana? Oh, that's Mary Jana or Mary Vapas Nahi Ana because I have another girl.
According, see, marijuana, I don't know whether...
Don't
it should
act
be made-
innocent. I've seen you
whether
under
it should
the
be legal
influence
or
of many things.
But the usage in the upper parts of this country in the north are rampant. Everybody in Banaras is grinding their own marijuana
What the hell are you saying?
on a
Don't say
daily
everybody.
basis.
There
I've
is a
seen it with my own
subculture,
eyes.
yes.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. You go outside any akhada in Banaras, go outside any Hanuman temple in Banaras,
Yeah.
they are making marijuana bhang on a daily basis. Not this badam pista bhang that you drink in high market parties.
I don't drink anything. I drink water.
It's
You're
green,
given
yeah.
opium to eat when you come into somebody's house.
There
You
you
get
are,
marijuana,
there you are.
right?
They make a
Everybody-
what you're
kheer.
saying
They make
is
a kheer out of opium.
India is far ahead of the rest of the world because
But at the
we
same
already have it.
time, regressive because we want to enforce rubbishy laws.
Yeah. So no. It's now that there are a few states and of course Western European countries allow it. What do you think should happen here? Well, a lot of people think alcohol is much worse than marijuana. I have consumed a lot of alcohol in my time, and I must
Look
tell
what
you,
happened to you.
Yeah, it's not always a good thing. So, is it possible that marijuana can be illegal and alcohol could be illegal once?
I don't
in the
think
near
it'll happen
future?
in India.
I don't think anything should be made illegal. I don't think cigarettes should be made illegal either.
Really?
Yeah, simply because if you're manufacturing them, then what are you going to ban them? You ban the manufacture,
I
then you
agree
can
with
ban the
Kunal.
usage.
I agree with
no?
Kunal.
So, make no alcohol, make no marijuana, make no cigarettes.
What is
and-
the point of manufacturing alcohol and banning
Then
it?
banning it.
Manufacturing
And then-
cigarettes and banning them?
You're a philosopher. You're a king. You're a Socrates who's come here.
Absolutely.
Where has he been all this while?
Even though your lower body stopped functioning, I
Should
must
we
say your
make him
brain
the
is
Prime
fantastic.
Minister? Should we make him the Chief Minister?
We can make him Prime Minister because we don't have one. Most of the time he's traveling. Foreign ministers in Bangladesh.
No, foreign minister, then he'll have to go to third world countries and Kunal.
Yeah. Also, if he becomes a minister, he works only 1 hour a day, which is a lot actually when you think about what the government's been doing. Or the opposition. Okay, marijuana legal? Yes or no?
Yes.
Chavi, have you? Be honest. This is a personal question. Have you imbibed?
Yeah.
When you were 13 years in America and Tennessee?
Yes, yeah.
You have?
Occasionally.
So you're a druggie. You're an absolute druggie.
So I haven't actually in a very long time. So
what happens? What does it do? Why do you do this?
So mostly it just puts me to sleep, which is why I don't do anything.
Well, I could talk to you for 5 minutes. Cheaper.
Exactly. Free.
Yeah, but then you should be banned and marijuana shouldn't.
Oh! 2-0. It's Cristiano Ronaldo from the half line this time. Oops, in like Flynn. All right, that's enough. He's taking too many shots at me. I'll move on. Okay, Cafe Mondegar. This is a terrible tragedy for South Mumbaikars who've grown up in this area. Mondegar, Leopold, brothers in arms.
Is it really close?
I
This is a
don't think
publicity stunt like Britannia did.
I mean, it's not
It is.
confirmed. It's not
It
been
is.
confirmed. It's not been.
No. Yesterday, I think the BPT who owns the property,
Right.
and
What is a BBT?
the
Bombay
BPT,
Port Trust.
Bombay
Bombay
Port
Port
Trust,
Trust
Yeah.
owns
owns that
They
property.
own the entire
They're the one-
Bombay,
they're the
which
one
will
who
now
had
be
a
called Mumbai
Bombay
Port
Trust.
Trust. Then they don't own it.
No, they
That's
don't,
what
no,
they do.
not. I don't think it's called Bombay Port Trust. Although
Bombay.
there is a move by the
Yeah,
when
to
the
change the
Shiv Sena
Bombay High
government.
Court to Mumbai High Court. That's the kind of thing you need to do as a politician, not to make India a better place.
course,
Just keep
it's very
changing names.
important.
Yeah, whole world will be rectified. Now, coming back to you, sir. You were saying
so-
Mondegar is not or is.
It was till yesterday. It was apparently being shut, and till.
But that's because at
yesterday
night time at
they
a point it does shut because all establishments shut.
Well,
So it's shut
closed down forever.
It will close down forever.
No, apparently not. Apparently not. But it's sad. It was tragic because a lot of these iconic places of Mumbai, for whatever reasons, are shutting down.
We will lose our Iranis.
And we are losing
Smriti first and then all the cafes. Yeah. I can see that happening. That's terrible.
That's a good one.
Anybody has been to Mondigar out of the three of you?
Of
Actually?
course. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
What's the owner's name?
Mondi?
How big is the place?
Mondi?
Name 4 dishes on the menu.
They used to have beef.
The sausages are very nice.
They have sausages. They have pasta and Chinese. And
that doesn't sound like a dish. It just sounds like general point.
And
above
above all, they have a jukebox.
They have a jukebox and you can hear Lata Mangeshkar swing to
can't.
the best tune.
They have
Elvis
your
Presley.
queen there.
Yeah.
My queen?
Yes.
What is double meaning again? What is that? Just because I don't wear pants on the show? It's an audio show. Alright, so Mondigar is not shutting down. We have a food expert, Kunal Vijaykar, who tells us he went there with a placard saying, please don't shut down.
No, I did. I don't do such things, okay? It takes too much energy and too much effort. I'm not holding placards and standing in the hot sun at Colaba.
But as a food expert, people say that you're more interested in non-veg than veg. Is that prejudice, like racism?
No, it's a matter of taste.
And your taste is more non-veg?
Yeah, it is.
But you also make fun of veg people and put them down and make fun of veg food. Why do you do that?
Because we generally make fun of people who are not like us.
3-0. This one from the penalty line. Oh, superb. 3-0. You're winning, man. You're winning. Okay, we go into our last topic of the day, and that is the IPL. Who's interested? Giant yawn.
Can I take your leave on this one? Can I take your leave? Because I have no idea what is happening.
I think we should do a break.
Too much cricket.
You can come back on your own
cricket.
with cricket. And
so what's next? Aging film stars playing cricket? Oh, they've already done that. All right. Okay,
you know, there was this whole thing, I think Salman Rushdie covered it, about eunuchs playing cricket.
Eunuchs play...
But that was a while ago.
Eunuchs playing cricket.
Yeah.
This is the most beautiful, poetic thing I've ever thought of. I love this. Eunuchs playing cricket.
So
go ahead, take a shot. Come on.
The sixer, that's what it's
I thought you'd ask me to captain the other team. That's our own goal, so 4-0 in Kunal Vijayakar's favor. Alright, so that's the topics we've exhausted. But before we end, there's a last diatribe we need. 13 years in USA. Kunal, you must find this out. She spent 13 years in the Americas. What was she doing? She will not be frank and open.
Can I give you a tip?
No, that's after the show. Now, come on. Come on, Chavi, tell us.
Already circumcised. Chalo.
Stop it. We don't allow vulgarity on our show. Except
LinkedIn.
political parties.
My whole
Chavi, what did you do for 13 years? Why is it a big issue?
It's not an issue.
Please tell us.
I just did.
But what did you do?
What?
She went to America for 13 years. She won't tell us what she did for 13 years.
But why do you want to know?
Good question.
Because we need to know about each other's past. Now, come on, fast. Last minute. And
okay, tell me.
Did Cyrus go to
what is
America?
the most embarrassing thing?
Yeah, he went. He stayed out of his
13
home
months.
for nearly 3 weeks.
5-0. And this is interesting from which perspective? Everyone have to use marijuana, go to Mondigar, drink some beer and listen to the jukebox to go through this conversation. Alright, so we've got some good news and some bad news as we wrap up. The good news is Mondigar survives. The bad news is so do my guests for some damn reason. We'll see you on Cyrus Says. We'll leave you with the Cyrus Says salute, which is Kunal basically making official sounds of animals mating. Go ahead. What animal is that? You tell me honestly. Is there an animal alive who would do that? And which female animal would be attracted to that sound? Who does that? You're 50 years old! 50!
But I didn't make the sound. It just happened.
Chavi?
You're listening to Cyrus Says.
All views and opinions expressed on this show are not necessarily the views and opinions of the IndusVox Media Network or any of our show advertisers or sponsors. No animals were harmed in the making of this podcast, obviously.